show the train. That'll be just leaving Staplehurst. Well, for a bit of a voiceover bit, I'm at the Marden Meadows Nature Reserve. Yeah, I just heard a train horn. So that'll be just leaving Staplehurst. Sorry about the wind and noise. I think I'm about halfway between Staplehurst and Marden. But technically I think I'm actually in Staplehurst. I'm on the outskirts of it anyway. There we go. Yeah, the train has just left Staplehurst. That's heading towards London. And that train is heading towards Staplehurst, either on its way to Ramsgate, I don't know. Anyway, I'm at the Marden Meadows Nature Reserve, so I'm actually somewhere in between Marden and Staplehurst. And I think I've just got the Green-winged Orchids just at the right time. Absolutely beautiful. There's about 2 or 3 meadows at the Marden Meadows Nature Reserve, and it looks like I've got the place all to myself. That's a hawthorn or blackthorn. Oh, I should have brought the tripod with me. If you ever wish to visit here at the Marden Meadows Nature Reserve, the green-winged orchids are at their best at the moment. I don't know when they go over. Don't know if they flower for 3 or 4 weeks, I don't know. But anyway, there's the car park there. I've come on foot. I'm not sure if there's a parking fee, I'll have to look later on. There we go, there's parking charges these days to visit the Marden Meadows Nature Reserve. Well, it's in between Marden and Staplehurst. I think it's actually nearer to Staplehurst than it is to Marden. But there we go, there are the prices if you wish to visit this beautiful place. It looks like they need to sort out the board. It looks like it's completely bleached by the sun. Yeah, you might be able to scan that QR code. I'm trying to keep it as steady as I can. Now I've done another walk around the perimeter. We've got to keep to the footpath around the Marden Meadows Nature Reserve, and I've picked up and thrown into the hedge various bits of hawthorn clippings, and there's some here. In fact, I had a hawthorn stuck in my shoe, so I'm pulling that out of the grass and throwing it into the hedgerow. That'd be extremely unpleasant. A hawthorn going through someone's boot and into their foot. I just turned round and noticed these feathers. It'd be interesting to find out from what bird the feathers have come from. Well spotted, that man.